evening. Now Elden, bigay kay Anastasio. Didiskarte. Another 3. It's good! Anastasio right there. And now Anastasio from way downtown. That's good! We are excited eh. Sa labas, Anastasio. Line set up for 3. That's good! Anastasio leading it alive. Sa gitna, Anastasio. Another 3. Anastasio line. Here's Anastasio, Didiskarte. Line set up for 3. It's good! We are tied at 70. 5-point ball game, 3 minutes and 35. Anastasio on the move, placing the pin in. Asking for a foul. Right now, Anastasio Bebelo, nagmamadali na dito. Anastasio, oh, placing the pin in.